man. Lean on me when times get bad. Oh, when the day comes.
Okay, it is Tuesday morning. We're at Animal Care Hospital in Long Beach. This bird here is possibly the mother of a nest full of birds somewhere here locally. I'm waiting for some more data, but I'm told she has a broken wing, so I'm about to get her up and check her out. The bad news is, with a broken wing, she will not be able to feed these babies in any way, shape, or form. She can't hunt, she can't fly up to the nest, so it's really bad news. So anyway, I'm going to snatch her up and see what we do, and we're actually in the process of trying to contact where this animal came from and see if we can get the babies. It'd be kind of interesting to see if we can put mom and the babies in a cage, something that's relatively less stressful, so then we can help mom feed and she can actually raise the babies, because it's the formative days and weeks of a young bird's life, and having mom there to teach them is pretty important. Mom's behavior on a second-to-second basis is important for the development of these babies. More or less as mentally screwed as those who we've actually hand-raised. If you will notice, parent behavior anomalies are all over the internet and all over social media and everywhere else, not to mention thousands and hundreds of thousands of cases of strange behaviors from domesticated birds. So anyway, we'd like to get her back to her babies, have her do the best she can, but that's what it looks like for now. So let me see if I can add some more data to this. All right. Okay, here's our mama bird. Vanessa, that already is Tuesday. We're at Animal Care Hospital in Long Beach, so I always want to make sure I thank the hospitals that are helping with the wildlife and helping get these guys out of here. We're about to do a local block, use some cold sterile to close up a wound on her, and then we'll see if we can get her back to her babies. If that doesn't work, then of course we'll have to take mama and babies in and do some hospitalizing and rehab. So we're hoping this is enough. So this is what it looks like, and let's